Today, I'm unboxing Lancome's 2024 Beauty Box. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you all the goodies. The Beauty Box this year is $79 if you purchase $42 worth of product. So that's with tax and everything, a little over $130, but you are getting $650 value and 9 full-size products. And the one thing that stuck out to me the most when we were at the Lancome counter and we were filming the beauty box is the nude palette. This year, the palette is over the top. But check this out. It is an embossed metallic case. The top is metal, so it's not just plastic. Look at those colors, ladies. Look at those nudes. So many different eye color combinations. And another thing that amazed me this year is the Creme Radiance Cleanser. They always have the Creme Mousse Confort, which is a pink, and that is for dry or sensitive skin. But this is the Creme Radiance that is perfect for normal to oily skin tones. So anyone can use this product. This product alone is $50. The full-size version, $50. We've still got more goodies. Hang in there. The next is the Bifacil Eye Makeup Remover. And this is an oil-based product, which is what helps remove the oil, dirt, and impurities without pulling or tugging at your skin, and it will not cause dryness. You have to shake it up really well, and it also has a hole in the top, perfect for a Q-tip if you want to do the touch-up that way. Or you can also use a cotton pad if you want to do the full face of makeup removal. But hang in there, ladies. This is the creme de la creme. Every beauty box has a full-size bottle of Genifique serum. This is an award-winning serum. Allure magazine, a couple of other beauty publications with one of the best serums on the market. This bottle right here is $100 or more just for the serum. Just for the serum. So it is worth the price of the beauty box just to have this one product. It's got an easy pop-top dispenser. It will dispense to you exactly the right amount of serum every time. And if you've seen my other videos, you know how to apply it. You put it on your fingers, warm it up for quick absorption, distribute the serum on your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin, and massage upward and outward in rotating motion. And the next product we have is the Lancome Genifique Eye Cream that is meant to be used in conjunction with the serum. Serum always first, and then eye cream. And this product alone is also by itself a $50 or $60 product. But you guys, you've heard me talk about this summer, skincare on steroids, and this is a travel size of the Renergie, which we know is lifting and firming collection, 300 HPN peptide cream, when normal skincare cream has 24 peptides. That's why I dubbed this skincare on steroids. It is so luscious and it works, you guys. I've been using it from the gift with purchase this summer. I love how it makes my skin feel. And the next full-size product that we're going to talk about is the Cils Booster Mascara Primer. And if you guys have not ever used a primer, it is white. And you put it on your eyelashes before your mascara. You start at the root, wiggle up, and evenly distribute your lashes. Let it dry for about half a minute to a minute, and then apply your mascara. And the next full-size product, the perfect mascara to go with the Cils Booster, is Definicils Mascara. And this is the mascara that I have dubbed more for the natural look. The bristles are very far apart, so it's not going to distribute a whole lot of mascara, but if you're into the natural look, Definicils is your mascara. And my favorite, you guys, this is a full-size purse La Vie Este Belle. We call it La Vie Belle perfume in the beauty box. And the last product in the beauty box is the Lait Absolute Rouge lipstick. And it's got the little pop that the bottom pops out. And this is Unspoken Feelings, shade 210. This is the perfect nude. Ladies, you cannot go wrong with a classic red lip and a classic nude lip. Of any of the colors of lipstick, you really should have those two colors that will get you through a bunch of different occasions. But you guys, the beauty box, like I said, is a purchase with a purchase, quite different than a gift with purchase. You have to purchase a qualifying product or products of $42 or more to be able to purchase the beauty box for $79. But like I said, it spent $130. I spent right at 42, a little over $42, and it was $130. Just the bottle of serum is worth what you're going to pay for the beauty box. So you can go and purchase your beauty box now. You do not have to wait till Christmas. And if you're interested to know how I get all of these products at such a great deal, the gifts with purchase, it's exactly what I teach in my exclusive system that I created. You will literally get free makeup and skincare all year. And the course is $27. It is worth it to pay for that just to be able to find out how to get free makeup and skincare all year and take advantage of all the key promotions that department store cosmetics counters have throughout the year. You guys have a good week. Till next Tuesday.